Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy weird comedy, slime, which is right now, squishies, all that good kind of stuff. Wait, and dancing and gymnastics, then welcome to my channel. So today we're making unicorn poop slime. So, it says unicorn poop. There used to be another slime in here. And it was like a putty type thing. It was 4 different colors, but it all got mixed, it all got ruined, and then it melted and got moldy and was just gross. And then we haven't used this container in like a month. So I thought it was a bad time we make a unicorn poop slime. And I guess unicorn poop is going to be pink. So it is this pink color glue washable. It says new, great for slime. So it should be good for slime. So I really hope it is. You know what I forgot, you guys? I forgot some water. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. By the way, my activator's in here. So I'm gonna go, we'll just get water later. Okay, let's add in the glue. We're gonna make it satisfying for you guys, so I'm gonna zoom it and do a little bit of ASMR. It looks like the glue's just coming out of nowhere. To me, it kind of does. It doesn't feel like it, obviously, because I'm holding the glue container now. It doesn't. It's not that satisfying anymore, guys. Okay, we're just gonna hold that upside down, kind of smack it to get more of that out. We're definitely gonna add in a little bit of water. This is going to be long. Okay, it's still going. I will. Please get out of there. Don't get in there. Okay, move your head, dummy.
Hey.
Yeah?
Those need to go to your room.
What does?
Hey, your bean bags.
Okay. Need to add this freaking glue in. Okay. Just gonna kind of let this sit. Let it kind of come out. It's not gonna come out like this. If it drips, it will go. Okay guys, I'm gonna go put the bean bags in my room and I'll be right back.
There goes your favorite spot, Hercules. No more beanbag naps. What?
There's still a lot in here. Hachiko, the Wizard of Clean. I'm still adding in glue, and it's been 5 minutes. Okay.
Hey.
So that's all that really wants to come out right now. We might try to get some out later. There's not much in there, so I'm gonna go add some water and then be right back. Okay, the water in. Let's get my mixing tool. Sorry about like such the bad angle, like you guys can barely see this one. But you want to be. Okay. It looks like this is like activator. It looks like it's already activated, but that's all water, you guys. It's gonna take a little while to mix in. No, maybe not. It's gonna be very liquidy, very, very, very liquefied. Very. We'll just sit here and mix for a while. Guys, I look like a different person, like when I talk this behind me. See, different person, different person, different person, different person, different person, different person, and then different person. Like my face looks different, but I feel like I look a little different whenever I do different hairstyles. You know? Let's put my hair just in case it. I feel like I look like a different person. So it definitely looks like unicorn diarrhea. Very, very, very liquidy. So we gotta keep on that mixing. Make sure we're getting it everywhere. Guys, this looks like water. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna form to slime. How liquefied it is. Like, it got really big. Adding on some activator. I don't want to erase. Ooh, it feels really weird. Like the activator. Ooh, it's really cold. Ooh, gosh. Probably because I had cold water. I just noticed something. How zoomed in I was super zoomed in. See, like, look how far away I am. Zoomed in. Okay. I love this color. It's so jiggly. Okay. Let's add in some more. Water. Try not to get any on the table. So that really didn't activate it much. So I added like 4 scoops.
Get it? You probably need to poop.
Look at that. So gummy. It's definitely definitely did the trick. It's definitely not as sticky anymore. Okay, let's start peeling it off before it sticks. Sorry guys, it's live. Got getting notifications. Guys, comment down below about the number of notifications you get. I don't know why I'm just like meeting this little piece while I have to meet like the whole thing. Okay. I'm probably gonna zoom in for the kneading part, you know, just because I feel like some people think kneading's like really satisfying. Just, like, I don't, but you know, I like kneading it, and I think it's satisfying when I do it. And when people do, it's just ugly and just a waste of time to watch. At least I think that. Okay. It's definitely gonna need some more activator in there. Guys, there is a DIY trick with clear slime. So you put the clear slime in the activator. So you make like a bowl of activator just like this, and then you'll put the clear slime in there. Like you'll pour the clear glue in there. So that way it will like get rid of bubbles, you know? And then you mix slow on the clear slime. But I mean, this isn't clear slime, of course, obviously. It's not clear at all. Everybody says clear isn't a color, but it is. Because if it was really clear, you wouldn't be able to see it. Right? So, there's obviously some sort of a light, hint of brown, hint of some color. Monica? Oh, I thought you went with Dad. I thought I heard you outside.
Wouldn't dare leave you alone this game.
Slime is kind of hard. It's not very stretchy. It's not. Oh gosh, yeah, it's not stretchy. I'm gonna fix it. Very pokey though. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna fix this slime because I actually really like how it turned out. Well, the color, I really like the color. And the poking. Ooh, this might make it a little bit softer. Guys, you know what would suck? Doing the blindfold challenge and adding not enough activator. And then it's gonna be like super sticky. I feel like that would be really bad. Or on JC and Casey, they did the blindfold and the blindfolds picking color and the 3-color challenge, and oh my gosh, I think it was Casey that added so much. Like, she filled up her whole bowl. Casey did. I can, like, yeah, I understand that they're twins, but I can tell the difference, like, a lot. Like, they're twins, but they just don't, you know. It's just, you know what I'm talking about. Like the Dobie brothers, I can't even tell who is who. Like, slime is not stretchy enough. Like, it's not stretchy. But yeah, comment down below if you can tell who is either JC. Well, I'm guessing most of you guys watch the Dobie brothers. So comment down below if you know who is who on the Dobie brothers and how you know who is who. I know JC and Casey whose is who because I feel like Casey smiles a lot and her face shape is different. And then JC, she smiles, but she has a different smile. And yeah, their hair is usually different. Like JC's is usually down and Casey's is usually up. Or is it the opposite? I don't really know. I feel like they do wear the same clothes. Go check out their channel, which is going to be down in the description below. JC and Casey and Genies combined. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that notification bell. Okay, I'm going to go get some water. First, I'm going to get all the stuff out of here. Let's get everything, all the juiciness out of here. Ooh, you know what actually I'm going to do? It's like stuck to the container. Like, it's like, no, I don't want to leave my family. Well, I'm going to get that as much as I can out. Make sure you hold on to your little family. Sorry, guys, I'm really weird. Okay. Hold on to your babies. You might lose a husband, but you'll find them again, I promise you. Unless I wash this out, which I probably am going to do. You'll probably lose family members. Hold on to your old grannies that can't walk. Don't you hold on to them babies as well. Didn't you like those animation movies like Ant? Like when they go and all picked up, like nobody cares. Like on that movie, nobody cares about the other ant. They just care about themselves. Like they're like, everybody calm down, and then they just save themselves so that way they can save the other ants. Like, okay, I'm gonna go fill this up with water. And yeah, I like this slime. I'll be back because I want a jiggly slime. I will be back. Okay guys, I got the water. As you guys can see, it's pretty filled. So, by the way, it takes quite a long time to meet in some water. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit out. The water is so cold and it feels so good. Okay. I just poured some of the water in the activator. Because I poured a little bit too much in here in the activator. Needed a little bit more water. It's a little strong. So guys, I'm gonna be probably sitting here forever beating this in because just Amira, she made a gallon slime and she made it a jiggly slime, and I didn't even understand how she did that. Like, I struggled. Well, she has to have like a lot of patience to be able to do that, and I don't have that much patience. That's probably why I get mad. But I mean, I don't like freak out and like have a tantrum. I get it over with. It's just, I feel like it should just meet in right away and just be like, yeah, it's done. Ooh, wait, I'm just gonna like take off a little piece and like show you guys. It feels like a jellyfish. On JC and Casey, hashtag JC and Casey also said the same thing, and I'm pretty sure it was actually on a pink slime. Okay, look at that. Ooh, yes, it's meeting in really good. That felt like a jellyfish. It looks like I'm blindfolded, but I'm not. Like when I'm up here, it looks like me. Ooh, look at that. It's really stretchy now. It's really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. But now we need to finish. Like, I feel like I should just keep this and like throw the rest away. No, I want more of it. I really like it. So I want more of it. So we're gonna take this out. Ew. It's the mommy jelly. Oh no, ewy. Ewy Pajooey. Look. Ew. Okay, let's knead it in before I get even more grossed out. Okay, it's not a jelly that much anymore. It's not that much softer. Honestly, it is pretty nice. Honestly, it's pretty nice. But I feel like it can be softer, and I don't really want it that much more jiggly. So maybe I should just add in lotion for now. Well, actually it would be nice to have a little bit more jiggly. I might make it a little bit more jiggly. Let's see if I can get any more of that glue out, because I can see that there is some in there. I'm gonna let that sit upside down. I saved some, yay! That's a good sign. Guys, you always want to save at least a little bit of your glue. So that way, like, if you slime gets too hard or something happens, like, you know, you always have some extra glue to fix it. By the way, extra glue always fixes everything, like, seriously everything. Like, say you just made slime and then you broke the container. You have extra glue to fix the container. So that's why you should always have some extra glue. You know, somebody needs to borrow some glue. Have some extra glue. Honestly, I did not leave that much extra glue because I wasn't thinking like this. Like, I'm just saying that because I had extra glue, but you know, still, it's still good to have extra glue. Good. Anyway, guys, guess what? Today my sister and brother left. They left us. It's just me and you guys now, which they weren't in much of my videos. I just got like a whole bunch of slime down in there. Probably wasn't the best idea. Didn't mean to. I didn't mean to, okay? That definitely got out some glue. I kind of just like want to shove this knife up in there, which I'm going to do. Ooh, it's working. It's not even, oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's dig out some more. Okay, got it. I got it. It's all got it. Holy poop. Okay. That never stands up. Okay, that's kind of bugging me. Guys, you know who gets bugged like about everything? You didn't even know about it. Like, it's about really weird things. It's just mind-blowing. How? What? Ooh, this slime is so jiggly and nice and pokey and bubbly. Bubbly and like that. If you like edited that enough, that could have, if I edit that enough, that could look like a freaking huge bubble. I probably should try to edit it, but I usually don't edit my videos. That one was actually really big. It was like really big. Like, look, it came all the way to here. That was a long ways. It was so gosh darn. Okay, it's all the way back here. Look, oh, it doesn't. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, look at that. So nice. I don't want to waste my time, yeah. Everybody wants to see. Okay, let's make another huge. Oh, that was gonna be so big. Way over here. Did you see how far that string stretched? They're totally huge. I have the hiccups. I'm obsessed with this slime. I want to put like DIY sprinkles, but I don't have any sprinkles. I have an idea. And I know that it sounds crazy, but I'm just gonna do it because I want to. And I can always make another clear slime if I need to, so that's why I'm doing this right now. I'm just getting all the monsters out. Cause I got plans to don't take any foam beads. Guys, we're gonna be putting the foam beads. Wait, hold on. I just have to do some ASMR on these foam beads with the tiniest bit of slime. Go over there. It's not your time to shine right now. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at her. I really like this. It's really pretty. I don't know. I still have a second chance to not do this. Like, I don't know if I'm going to regret it because I kind of like this by itself. And I really like that one with foam beads. It's called a memories. Called a memories. I don't know. You know, I always have another chance to do it with the clear slime. Oh, I'm gonna leave it in the clear slime, you guys. Won't even touch that slime. Right now it's about this beautiful pink one. I have videos about that clear one if you guys want to know more about it. Go check out one of those videos. By the way, guys, JC and KC are like amazing peoples. By the way, if it doesn't pop right up here, then again it's going to be down. No, it's going to be down in the description box. So you can totally go check them out if it doesn't pop up right there. Some JC and Casey. JC and Casey. And JC and Casey. So I just have to see if it does. And go watch all their videos and subscribe to them. Hashtag JC and Casey. Okay. Anyway, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed me making slime, then make sure you come back for another video. Do lots of live stream lots of all sorts of trending Kiki, do you love me videos, dancing, all that kinds of good stuff. And yeah. So, bye guys. I have to go clean up.